Ouch. Hope your account doesn't look like that. Been a rough one. Rough one for this account. Welcome back, guys. I hope your holiday weekend was good and you're able to chill and not think about the market. Well, we continue to sell off. Tesla, man, I didn't time Tesla quite right. Yeah, 21% in one day. That's insane. That is insane on Tesla. We bought in right here when I thought it was a bottom and reversing. False breakout, as I'm assuming lots did. Why it kept going down, I'm not sure. I think all of this was kind of moving with the general market, with the SPY, and then also because of their stock offering they did. So that kind of triggered the sell-off, and then people just started selling because other people are selling. And then here, I'm wondering if it's probably just going with the overall market, but not just the stock offering and the fact that it's been way overbought. I mean, even, you know, it's, what is it, 400 times the valuation or something. So yeah, it's getting corrected, but I'm wondering if today part of the drop here and then today during market hours was from the news of GM and, was it Helion? No, Nikola. That news, if that's maybe triggering some of the sell-off on Tesla also. GM takes stake in Nikola. I don't know, Nikola might be like a complete, seems like kind of a silly company, but when someone like GM partners up with it, it seems much more legit. I don't think Tesla's like out at all. I think it'll still go crazy hype game. But yeah, this is quite a correction, and I'd like to get more cash balance so I can buy in more once I see potential bottom here. I don't know, this is crazy. I mean, kind of thinking it's gonna have the support right here, like 315, 310. So maybe another 10, 20 points to go. I'm not sure, but so even here, if you look at it before the split, 300 times 5, because it was a 5-to-1 split, so even if 300, that's still $1,500. So pre-split, that would have been $1,500, which was pretty high still. I mean, you see it's all overbought in this range. I mean, it consolidated and then came down on the RSI, but yeah, the thing with Tesla's valuation though, it's just on earnings and that it's different because Tesla, yeah, it's valued more than any other car company in the world and more than most of the biggest ones combined. But that's because GM doesn't make solar panels or batteries, or, you know, it just makes vehicles. So it's hard to say, you know, you have to kind of value it as just a big company that's doing lots of different things in the energy space. So I don't know. I actually have always liked Tesla. I've hardly ever played it though, just because it's so gnarly, and I wanted to step back. But looking at my I'll show you my history here with Tesla. It's pretty funny. So let's see, view order details. Yep. So here you can see my history with Tesla, all my buys and sells. So earlier on, you have to forgive me, I was trying to swing trade and doing all sorts of different things. Way less idea of what I was doing. So these are prices I used to be in at a Tesla, and this was pre-split. So 318. This was the cheapest I ever had Tesla, 378. Man, I wish I just put all my money into that then and held it. But of course, in hindsight, let's see what it was at 318. After it was split. This will give you after split valuations. Or no, it won't on here. Okay. See, it's all messed up on Webull. Let's see, where's 318 on here? Yep, so I was swing trading this in this area. This was the very bottom of the market. Wow. I literally bottom ticked it and I didn't hold. At that point, I wasn't trying to get it for long term. I was just straight up swing trading things and just trying to figure out my rhythm and figure out how I wanted to be in the market. But wow. Feel pretty dumb now. 318 was literally the bottom. That's crazy. That was right there. So yeah, too bad I didn't hold. But Tesla, I haven't bought into it since then. I mean, if you go back to my order history, I swing traded it for a bit. 378, sold it. Then I bought back in 1500 average price. Sold it, just real small little swing trades. And then I decided to just add it. I wanted to add it to long term, and I haven't bought into it since let's see, like a month and a half ago, just because it's been so high. We wait for it to come down, and now it's come down, and I've started buying in, so I'm fine. I'm fine kind of not trying to catch the bottom and swing trade it, because I'm long on it for long term. So I bought in here. I bought actually another share down here on my Robinhood. On this Webull account, I have some shares too in the same range. But I'll probably wait to buy until I see a reversal, more of a strong reversal. And it'll probably come with the market as well. But if you look down here, today we're down $615 just on 8 shares. That's crazy. Just today. So that's pulled my account a lot today. It's down 1,000 today. Rocket 129 down, Kodak 53, Wells Fargo 82. Space went up. I sold a covered call on Space today, which was nice. Levi's up, H&T's up. So Space, I got pretty good premium for this covered call. Oh no, that's my call on it. I tried to sell a covered call and I accidentally bought one. Thanks, Robinhood. So yeah, but it ended up working out because we'll make a little money on this. I'll sell it tomorrow. This is the covered call right here. I sold this one for credit of $20 for a strike price of $20, which is crazy, but it might hit that. I'm not sure. I'll sell it for 20 if so, and that expires on Friday. So that's pretty nice premium for that short of a strike, or that high of a strike and that short of a time. Sold a covered call on AAL since it was up today as well. Let's see, it was up pretty good here for a little bit. All these stocks that haven't had this crazy run up since the bottom of COVID, you know, like the tech, all the travel stocks, they're not really affected by this market coming back down, the SPY, because they're not way overbought like these other ones. So they're slowly grinding up. On my options on Robinhood, we are down on, of course, all the debit spreads I got into on Friday, thinking that was the bottom. So that's AAL, Macy's, the SPY debit spread, and then this Tesla debit spread. See, that's fake. Not down 188. Well, it cost me 113, so whatever, Robinhood. You're stupid. Intel, this is wrong because it's just a big spread, so I'm down on this. I don't know how much, but Rocket definitely down on 2. Big spread, so it says weird stuff. Actually, this might be kind of right. That's just today's return. So I'm definitely down on it. But today maybe it came up some. Yeah, that's pretty much what I did today. I did a SPY credit spread. These are tough not to do. So we'll see. I might close this out tomorrow if SPY comes down more after hours, which I almost closed it out today, but I thought I don't want to use a day trade on Robinhood. And if SPY opens up down here, 333, or lower, I'll probably close it out. Hopefully I can break even, but I might close it out for a little loss. We'll see. It's not a bunch of collateral on this one. I think it's like $300, $400, so it's no big deal. I've got a bigger SPY credit spread on the E-Trade, but that expired today because I can do daily expirations on E-Trade. Isn't that nice? Same with Webull, actually. Robinhood I can't. So yeah, but yeah, tomorrow I'll open up another one on E-Trade, the daily, and then I don't know. I mean, with this 1 hour chart, I don't see a bottom yet, honestly. It looked like one here, but now I see that was just a false breakout. So this is still, now it's below the 180 moving average. This is definitely below the 9. And we have, red candles. The MACD is below the signal. These are all bear signs. The RSI is pretty low, but it's not like it's dropped so quickly that it's way oversold. So it could be, I don't know, I think it could be flat and kind of down a little bit still. Because even if this is close to the bottom, it's going to consolidate, and to consolidate it'll have to come up and down. But on the SPY, I don't even know where the range would be like here. 319, 320, would that be support? Somewhere around there. So it's got some room to drop if it wants to. So we'll see. Yeah, this is crazy. I didn't want this account to fluctuate like this. It's supposed to be kind of a savings account, and then yeah. So anyways, I think once I am able to get my Weeble on margin, I'm going to turn this back into more of a like long-term savings account and selling premium, you know, selling puts and selling covered calls, and then maybe some really safe credit spreads. It's not that the options have been hurting this account. I mean, it is these stocks down here, because Tesla and Rocket literally just, I bought them a little too early. I was a little early on everything, so I'll have to wait to climb those out. And then I kind of wavered back and forth. Then today I was like, well, it'd be nice just to have dividend stocks and not even mess with Robinhood, just because execution's so bad and you really can't get in and out of stuff easily. And it's nice to have one account that doesn't swing like crazy if you just have pretty even movers that just pay dividends, like AT&T, IRM, AbiVi, maybe probably JPM. I like Chase, and then maybe a couple growth. But I think once I can get my attention back on Weeble and E-Trade, then I'll be able to just set this thing up to slow grow again, kind of how we were in this range right here. So right about here is when we started doing that, just selling puts, selling calls. I was in some bad shares at this time, so it wasn't really growing. It was kind of just hanging out, but slow growth. And then we did the credit spreads here, but it got a little too aggressive and didn't sell out. So then this happened. Lost one, expired in the money, then lost another one right here. And then this was buying Rocket day before earnings. Don't do that. And then this is just buying Tesla, and the rest of the SPY just going down and affecting my other shares. So yeah, that's kind of my plan for this one. Weeble, I'm trying to start liquidating some of these options contracts, because you have to have no option contracts to change to a margin account, which is utterly ridiculous, but I'm having to do it, so I'm doing that. And then my E-Trade account, it's nice, but you have to pay for, you have to pay commissions on contracts. So and I don't actually like, I'm not used to E-Trade like I'm Weeble. So Weeble, I want to do debit spreads, credit spreads, and then yeah, pretty much just spreads, I guess, on Weeble. So yeah, I got shares of Tesla on here too, some SPY calls, but I don't know. I think tomorrow, I don't think it's going to be like a reversal. I think it's going to trade in a range and consolidate, or keep going down before it consolidates. But that's it for me today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you're having a good one. Let me know what stocks you're into long term, if it's dividend or growth, and what your plays are for the market going down here. I almost got more UVXY, and I was just like, well, I put a lot of money out on Friday, thinking it's a low time I want to buy. So like, I don't want to try and stretch. I don't really have much balance to stretch, so kind of left it alone. But yeah, what are you guys working on that's working for you? Let me know. Comment down, sub up, like up, make your money happy money so it'll stick around. We will see you mañana. Peace out.